Welcome back to my channel Maison Network. Today I'm gonna show you how to alter the Skmei 1398, I guess so, the strap. So uh, this is how actually we just use this tool. It's very cheap. You can get it from Shopee. I think like 3 ringgit or something, 4 ringgit, and then use the use the needle inside, use the needle here, and to push the needle on the end of this. You can see, yeah, yeah, that's a needle, small needle. So just yeah, push it, take it out, and then replace it back. Remove your one that you want, like one, two, three, or few straps. Then you can continue back and to replace, put the needle back with this tool only. So this is the only tool that actually can work to alter the strap. Okay, so thank you for watching. Thank you.